You broke it. Oh my God, you're in trouble?
She broke it.
You broke it, didn't you?
She threw hard.
Why are your eyes going like this?
You broke it? We're gonna tell Dad on you. It doesn't go. Look, it don't
broke
stay.
it.
No.
Yeah, you did.
Oh my God, are you lying?
No.
Why are you doing that?
She broke it.
Your face is like this, like
They're laughing.
because you broke it and you're telling us now that you didn't break it.
You liar.
Did it.
You didn't break it?
You broke it. Just like you drew on the walls.
Did you draw on my wall?
No.
No?
You broke
it.
You broke it.
Oh hell, then how did that dinosaur get on my door?
With numbers.
With numbers.
Isaiah can't draw.
Isaiah doesn't know how to draw and he doesn't know how to do numbers. Chewy, you did it, didn't you?
Broke it. Look at that.
You did it?
You broke it.
You broke this.
Why are you breaking for it? It's his dad's.
And you wrote on my walls, Chewy.
He's gonna have to pay $20 to get a new one.
And
you broke it.
And you colored my walls.
Why did you break it?
No.
Dad's gonna beat you up.
No. I'm not broke it.
You broke it. You broke it. Why did you break it?
Did you get it?
What the hell?